Hey, seventh graders, it's me, Mr. Stark. Today we are going to look at uh, um, a useful tool called a dichotomous key. The dichotomous key is used to identify many objects ranging from plants to minerals to animals. Um, in this case, we're just going to do some ordinary, common things that hopefully you would be familiar with, and it's a little practice using a dichotomous key, which we will later use to identify leaves of trees. Okay, we will use the properties of leaves and a dichotomous key to help you identify the name of each of several different kinds of trees that you will bring into school, leaves that you will bring into school. So we'll start today. We'll start today by doing this dichotomous key, and I'm just going to get you started on it. Do a couple of these together, and then we'll turn you loose, okay? So our first item that we're going to identify is a white marble. I went to my desk and I got a marble. I don't have a white marble, but I have a small marble here. So you kind of can imagine if this were white, what it would look like. So every time that you start with the dichotomous key, you always start at the top. So you have two choices, choice 1A and 1B. Question 1, is the item in 10 centimeters or more in any dimension? Well, you can see that this is not 10 centimeters. It is less than 10 centimeters in any dimension. So then it says go to 5. So then you jump down to number 5, 5A and 5B. Is the item spherical in shape, or is it not spherical? A marble is spherical. It's sphere shaped like the earth. So it says go to number 6. Is it white in color? The answer is yes, because it's a white marble. So it is a whatnot. So in the space where we would see white marble, we would call that, its silly science name would be a whatnot. We'll do one more together. Let's do a wooden, no, an eraser. We're going to do an eraser, the eraser here, letter H. So number 1, always start at the top again. Is it 10 centimeters or more in any dimension? I've gone to my desk and gotten an eraser. This is less than 10 centimeters in any dimension. So then it says go to 5. Is it spherical or is it not spherical? 5B is not spherical. So it says then go to 7. Is this a writing instrument or is this not a writing instrument? We do not write with this. We can erase writing with it, but it is not a writing instrument. So then it says go to 9. Is it partly or completely made of metal? No, it does not have any metal parts at all. So then it says go to 11. Is it soft and flexible? Yes, it is. And so this would be called an oopsie. Makes sense when you have a mistake that you've made on your paper and you need to erase. It's an oopsie. Okay, so you've got a couple of these figured out together, and I would like you to try to figure out the remaining 8, the unsharpened pencil, the white chalk, a wooden splint, which is kind of like a popsicle stick, about the same length except for it doesn't have rounded ends, it has square ends on it, a sharpened pencil, a colored marble, a small paper clip, we did the eraser, a die like a dice, and a large paper clip. Okay, enjoy, have fun. Talk to you soon. Bye.